Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm the CEO of Pitch59, and we are so excited to announce our partnership with BYU. All BYU students will receive a free resume pitch card to help you stand out and be heard in the hiring process. Resume pitch cards allow you to give your best elevator pitch to employers in 59 seconds. You can talk about your hobbies, your interests, your background, what motivates you, and explain why employers should hire you. They also contain your resume, video references, contact information, social media links, and any pictures or other information that you'd like to share. Your resume pitch card is like an application business card that allows you to give your best elevator pitch to every employer. It is extremely networkable and shareable. Whether you're looking for part-time, full-time, an internship, or you're just open to being recruited by employers, you should have a resume pitch card. To share your resume pitch card with other people, just swipe up. You can share it through text, email, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or your own unique QR code. You can also send it out to all of your friends and family through the contacts option, and they don't even have to have the Pitch59 app to view or share it. As you can imagine, employers love these. It allows them to quickly see your personality and your credentials at the same time. Your resume pitch card will also show up on the Pitch59 resume carousel, where employers can recruit you. If you don't want to be recruited, just go to the home screen on your app and turn off the toggle above your pitch card. To create your free resume pitch card, download the Pitch59 app, sign up, and then go to the home screen where your resume pitch card will be waiting for you. Just fill out your information and record your first test pitch. We've provided pitch tips, pitch topics you can discuss, and even a built-in teleprompter to record your perfect pitch. It takes less than 10 minutes to create your resume pitch card, and then you can re-record your pitch whenever you'd like. All of your information is always current and up to date on your resume pitch card, so if you ever change your contact information or your video pitch, it'll automatically update across the entire platform to everybody that you've ever sent your pitch card to. After you've got your resume pitch card finished, there are a couple of things that you need to remember. First is that you swipe up to share your pitch card with everybody. Second, you can swipe down and put pitch cards in your pockets. And third, you can flip over anybody's pitch card and chat with them right there on the back of their pitch card. Once you have your resume pitch card finished, you can also visit the job search carousel where employers get to pitch you to work for them. Each job pitch card is an available job position, and when you tap the Apply Now button, it'll automatically send your resume pitch card to that company as your application. It's that easy to apply for any job on Pitch59. You will absolutely love having a resume pitch card. That's it. We're excited to watch your pitch. Welcome to Pitch59.